Hello students, we will discuss today about the how to do reef knot. R-E-E-F-K-N-O-T. Reef knot is a knot which is very commonly used by all surgeons, wherein after pricking the tissue bites, we will approximate tissue by putting the reef knot. I will demonstrate. Of course, before that I will show. Always first one from the front, second one from behind, third one from front. That is becomes a reef knot. Always square the first knot, first throw, first half knot. Actually, if we will know, we will tell first knot. Actually, it's a half knot. First throw or first half knot, then second half knot from behind, third half knot from front. So it is can be reef knot. It can be done through instrument. Demonstration is done through the suture, sutures also. It's also demonstrated through the thread or different materials. So I am going to demonstrate how to do reef knot. So students, I will be demonstrating the reef knot. R-E-E-F. See that instrument should be held like this between the ring and middle finger. Then this is the needle holder or needle driver. Then hold the suture material like this and see that. Then do the loop like this. I am taking one loop, then hold in the tip like this, then square it. See the squaring here, see the squaring here, see the squaring here, square it. Then second one from behind, see, from behind, not like this, from behind. So then take it like this, it will become a reef knot. Now you look at this here carefully, see both loops are from inside. Both loops are from inside. This is the typical reef knot. And third one from front. Third one from front. That is how exactly you will do the reef knot. So I will demonstrate again. See, hold like this, loop it like this, catch it in the tip, square it. Then second throw should come from behind like this. So that becomes a reef knot. Third knot comes from the behind like this. So from front square, from behind. So front, behind, front, that becomes a reef knot. Whereas in granny knot, front. So students, I hope you have understood how exactly to do the reef knot. Reef knot is more secure than the granny knot, but granny knot is easier to place. So this is reef knot, how exactly to do. Thank you very much.